And I used to see one squirrel, so that was good, on the way back from work. And I thought, might as well go on the beach again and get the sunset. Not as quickly as yesterday. And it was soon in behind the salt bank. But it'd be nice to walk back. Wow. So nice, I think. Hi! How good is it? Need to head out now. Oh, I do love the sea. Of course, a nice light over there. I didn't do the house soon. A bit further along, so just like a little walk. That's all. Wow. Oh, I do love low tide. There wasn't much squirrels captured on camera today, but that's fine because they don't know. It's very sunny tonight. Look at that. Sunset. Yeah, it's not going to be the best of sunsets, but it's nice anyway. The sea's so calm because it's a northerly wind. And it is quite windy, there's a northerly wind, so the sea's quite calm. So nice to see. And doesn't keep that towards Brighton, down the coast. Nice walk back out. The sun's shining at me. Hello! By the sun. Well, hope everyone has a good evening. Gotta get back home, had a cup of tea, relax, watch telly, and maybe just editing. That's why I'm ready to go home. See you later. Yeah, have a nice evening. And don't do anything I wouldn't do. Just a dog's thought bus. Yay! We love that bus. It goes where?